Hey guys, welcome back to Hobby Baker's Kitchen. Today let's make some eggless oats and whole wheat banana bread. These are super yummy and look at those beautiful crumbs and you will love it. So let's get started. Since we're making banana bread, of course we will need some ripe bananas. I would suggest you to go with overripe bananas, which will give you amazing flavor and also moistness to your banana bread. Peel the bananas and mash them with your fork on a cutting board. Totally we will need around 300 grams of mashed bananas, or it's around 1.5 cup. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and support me. Also hit the bell icon so that you get notifications on the new videos that I upload. Here is our 300 grams of mashed bananas. Let's keep it aside and go ahead with the recipe. Into a large bowl, let's take 1 cup of packed brown sugar. Again, brown sugar gives moistness to the cake. I'm adding 7 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Any flavorless oil will work for this recipe. Mix them together till all the sugar is moistened with the oil. And now let's add 1/4 cup of thick yogurt or curd. So let's not have watery curd here. You can hang it for some time and take out all the whey and use it for this recipe. You don't really necessarily go to the shop and buy the yogurt. You can use homemade one also. I'm using a homemade yogurt here. Whisk it well for about a minute and then add the mashed bananas. And whisk it well till all the ripe banana gets incorporated into our wet ingredients. Make sure that the banana chunks are not really big when you mash it. If there are small bits of banana chunks, that's fine, but let's not have big chunks of bananas. Now let's add our whole milk. I always use whole milk in the recipes, which gives moistness and also good flavor to the cake, along with the richness. In goes 1 cup of regular oats. Here I have instant oats, and always go with the instant oats for this recipe. Don't take the steel cut oats, it won't work with this recipe. Mix it all together and let it sit for 5 minutes. The oats is going to absorb some moisture from the wet ingredients and softens a little bit. After 5 minutes, sift in all the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Here I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour and some baking powder, baking soda and some salt. For the flavor, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. So let's whisk it a little bit and then sift it all into our wet ingredients. I also have amazing eggless recipes on my channel. I'm going to add the link above here. Please check the link. Let's follow the cut and fold method to incorporate the dry ingredients into our wet ingredients. If you're using a hand mixer, please be careful not to over mix. I always advise you to just use a spatula for this recipe so that we make sure we're not going to over mix the batter. You can see I'm also making sure to scrape the sides of my bowl and also the bottom of the bowl so that there are no air pockets left in the batter. This batter is going to be a little bit thick compared to other cake recipes, but this is the consistency we're looking for. Don't worry if your batter is a little thick. This looks good. Let's transfer it into a baking tin. Here I have a 9x5 loaf pan. I always use a loaf pan to make my banana bread. It's just the way I do it. You can also use your round pans or square pans if you want. I also have a healthy no sugar chocolate cake recipe in my channel. I'm going to add the link above here. Please check it out. Smoothen the top with your spatula, and at this point of time you can add any toppings you want. Oats or nuts or even chocolate chips will go well. I am adding a split banana here. I'm going to gently push this in so that it stays intact. And this goes into the oven for about 1 hour 20 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade. I did the toothpick test and this banana bread is baked perfectly. Now let it sit on the wire rack for about 5 minutes and then take it out of the pan and let the banana bread cool down completely 100% to the room temperature. Do not cut till it's completely cool down. I know it smells amazing and we are tempted to cut, but no. So now I'm cutting the banana bread. Let's see how it looks. It smells amazing in here. 1, it's a very healthy banana bread recipe. 2, also helps us not to trash those overripe bananas. We can use them to make this healthy banana bread. 3, nobody says no to banana bread. Everybody loves them. Now let's see how it looks inside. Look at these beautiful crumbs. The banana bread is moist and also super soft. This is a perfect breakfast recipe or snack recipe with your tea. Please try the recipe and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching.